YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is NivriStyles coming to you today with another natural hair tutorial. Today I will be using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus line. I will be using the Curl and Shine shampoo, the Curl and Shine conditioner, the Curl Enhancing smoothie, and the Curling Gel Souffle. I will be doing a twist out on my cousin's 4C natural hair. I will shampoo and condition her hair off camera. I will be adding a little bit more of the Curl and Shine conditioner to use as a leave-in. I will massage this product in from roots to ends to make sure her hair is saturated. I will take a wide tooth comb, combing in the product to make sure it is evenly distributed. I will be sealing in that with some coconut oil. I'll be focusing on the ends where she has the colored added. I will massage that throughout her whole head. I'll be adding the Curl Enhancing smoothie, and that will be my cream. I use the lock method, leave in the conditioner, oil, coconut oil, and my cream, which is the Curl Enhancing smoothie. I will add just a little bit more to make sure her hair is very, very moisturized. Focusing on the back and the sides, even though those are shorter, you want to make sure you take good care of those as well. Now her hair is ready for her twist. I will be using the Curling Gel Souffle to twist her hair in medium and small sections. I think by now, if you've been in the natural hair community for some time, you know how to twist your hair. But if not, you just take a section of hair and split it equally in two and just twist over each other. Very simple. Make sure not to borrow any hair because we want to get a frizz-free, very defined twist out. The Curling Gel Souffle is going to do just that. It acts as a gel. It is made with agave nectar and flaxseed oil. This product, just like the other products I've used, are designed for thick and curly hair. And as you can see, my cousin has very thick hair. So I'm going to speed up the process of the twisting. Just adding the Curling Gel Souffle and twisting each section. A few years ago, I learned that concocting the Curling Gel Souffle and the Curl Enhancing smoothie would leave great definition without the tacky feel of just using the gel souffle alone. I've been using this product in my whole natural hair journey, which has been about 7 years. These products leave my hair very soft and defined. And I can usually get about 4 to 5 days with a twist out using these products. Now I'm in the front, just adding a little bit of Curling Gel Souffle, and you don't need much. And for the length of her hair, I didn't even use a dime size amount. I just put a little bit on my fingers and added it to each section. I'm just twisting as I go. The coconut and hibiscus shampoo, conditioner, and the Curl Enhancing smoothie are all made with silk protein and neem oil, and also coconut oil. The coconut oil is used to hydrate and protect the hair while reducing breakage. The silk protein smooths the hair for a soft, silky feel, and the neem oil controls frizz while adding a brilliant shine. And at the end of this tutorial, you will see how moisturized and shiny her hair is. On the backs and sides, I just rubbed a little bit of the coconut oil and the Curling Gel Souffle and use the sponge to accent those curls. Overall, I probably did about maybe 35 twists over her whole head. I didn't count them, but it was quite a bit to cover her head. Now I'm in the top. As you can see, I didn't have to add any more of the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I just used the curling gel souffle. Here's a few pictures of her hair twisted. I've accented the sides, defined the sides, forgive me. And you can see her hair is very shiny and is very moisturized. She will sit under a hooded dryer for about 30 minutes until her hair is completely dry. Now for the takedown. I will be using a little bit of coconut oil to smooth throughout her head. I had about 2 hours to do her hair because she had to get ready for work, which also tells a lot about why my appearance is the way it is. I had to go to Target that morning, so I just threw on a Kansas City Royals baseball cap and t-shirt and had to be back to do her hair. You can see I'm just taking down each of the twists. She has no frizz. Her hair is shiny, soft. Get her hair texture. So now I'm taking each of those twists and separating them one time, because I want her to get at least 3 to 4 days out of this twist out. At night, if she wanted to, she can twist up small sections and sleep in a satin bonnet or on a satin pillowcase. Her hair is very soft to the touch, not sticky or tacky. Her curls are very moisturized. So now I'm on the sides. I love the shape of her hair. She was actually trying to grow it out, and then she wants to cut it, but I think that she should go ahead and let it grow out because it is a very pretty cut and shape. I didn't want to do too much separating. So now I'm using my pick to fluff it up a little bit, and here is the finished product. See, her coils are very defined. They're moisturized, minimum frizz. Her back is very defined and sides, and her color is popping. Leave a comment below if you've tried these products and if you tried the Curl Enhancing Smoothie and Curling Gel Souffle together. Here's a few more pictures. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel for more natural hair tutorials. Have a blessed day. Until next time.